Hi, in this video I'll be explaining you how to proceed further to get our usable reconstructed page. So first and foremost, what you need to do is you need to check the last node number, which is number 6. So you have to compare it with the last node of the preview, last node found in the preview page. Since this one is also 6, so we don't need to worry that any marker are missing in our chine. So chine is placed where we put where we can find all the node markers. If there are some missing markers, we can edit in this one, and then we will get it. The changes will be reflected on the preview. So in this case, since the last number of the marker in image is same as the last number of the marker number in preview page, we don't need to worry that any marker are missing in our chine. But after that, what we need to do is we need to focus on the content of the node. As you can see, our first node is empty, so there should be a this is a big problem for us. So what we will be doing is we will go to Chendang, and we will check whether all the nodes are separated using node marker or node annotation. But so you can start, since we are in page number 162, you don't need to look other nodes. You can note below this one, which is the page reference that we have put earlier. So the starting node is actually not annotated, so what we will be doing is we will put annotation to it. Now once I put annotation node annotation to this node, the changes will be directly reflected here. But as you can see, there is some other node also included in this, which is not supposed to happen, and this is caused due to not untangling the node present in this line. Each line is dedicated for one node, so we will separate our second node in second line, and we will put node annotation to it. So once we have done it, you can see the changes happening in our preview page. Our preview page is loaded with a different node, and then you can, after that, what you can do is you can compare the node content here actually. So the first node is minus sofa, and you don't need to worry about the node content in Chendang, because the node contents are actually extracted from Chiyik. So like in case of sofa, minus sofa, it is extracted from here, and this pa she is also extracted from here, and then rest of the names are extracted from here. So our first node is actually in correct form. So after that, we will check, we will go to our next node, which is Tawe, and this one is also kind of correct. And after that, we can come here, and we can check the third node, which is Mepar. Okay, this one is also correct. And now in case of fourth node, we are getting some extra nodes here. So this might cause, due to the earlier case, where our nodes are not separated. Since there in the line we are able to find two nodes, which is not correct. So what we will do is we will separate them by adding another node separator. So once we are done with this one, I think we are supposed so we are able to get the correct node, which is plus Thoma, and the next node is actually plus Theve, but we are able to see some extra number in between paging and Nartham publication annotation. So what we will do is we will check, as I have told you before, the content of node is extracted from here. So you can go to this page and you will be able to find this one. Since this is not supposed to be here, we will remove this. So now as you can see, our node is in correct format, yeah, and the rest of node is, and so this is our preview page, reconstructed preview page or reconstructed Vidruma page, and you can save it and you can proceed to next page. Thank you.